Welcome to the guide on how to create subscription plans in the PromptROI application. Follow these steps to easily set up your plans and start offering them to your subscribers. From the dashboard, click on Settings. Next, click on White Label. Then click on Subscribers. Now click Create New Subscription. Give your new subscription plan a name. Give your subscription plan a price. Click the button to create your subscription. Click on the Confirm button to finalize the creation. Click All to give access to every category of prompts. Or select specific categories to allow access. Click Unlimited to allow unlimited prompt runs or enter a number of runs allowed each month. Then click Unlimited to allow unlimited prompt spend or enter an amount allowed each month. Click the Live toggle switch to push your subscription live. Click the trash icon to delete this subscription. Now you know how to create subscription plans in the PromptROI application. By following the steps provided, you can easily set up your plans with custom names, prices, and limits for total runs and spend. Start offering your plans to subscribers and grow your business.